Hi, my name is Dave. I'm with ProVia. I'm from their metal roofing division. I'm here in Hampton, Connecticut with Klaus Roofing as they are installing our lifetime metal roof on this customer's home. As you can see behind me, they are installing our shake design in the saddlewood color. We also offer our metal roofing in a slate and barrel tile. This is going to be the last roof that this homeowner is ever going to have to put on their home. It's a 26 gauge galvanized steel. It is your forever roof. If you'd like more information on ProVia and our roofing system, please reach out to Klaus Roofing at 860-563-7661 or KlausLarsenRoofing.com. Thank you.